Are you thinking about moving to West Hollywood, but not quite sure if it's the community for you, what the area's like? Well, today in this video, I'm going to be exploring with you, showing you the neighborhood, what it's like, what it has to offer, all the good stuff, all the bad stuff, so stick with me. I'm Matt Tilley, the British Bloke, a realtor here in LA County. If you're looking to make a move in the next 9 days or 90 days, give me a call, shoot me a text. Happy to help. All right, let's get to the video. So, a little bit about West Hollywood, or as the locals call it, WeHo. Basically, if you follow Santa Monica Boulevard eastwards from La Brea down to Doheny, population of about 35,000. It's the least diverse community in LA County. 80% of the population or the residents are white. 70% age between 20 and 44. So it's definitely a young community here. It's pretty much home of the Sunset Strip. So you know it has a lot of bars, trendy restaurants, good vibe. The walkability is excellent. One of the best communities in LA County for walkability. Up there with probably Santa Monica, maybe even better than Santa Monica. Parking's not great, but the walkability is so good you don't really need a car. It's a very healthy community. Lots of gyms, lots of juice places, yoga, all that good stuff, which is very popular obviously in California. It does lack parks and green spaces, so if you do have a family, there's definitely other communities, neighborhoods that are better, more family orientated. Yes, there is a community here, but it's definitely a younger community. Probably one of the areas in LA with the most partying going on. There's a large gay community here, probably one of the biggest in the state. If you're a fan of Halloween, definitely has some of the best Halloween parties in the country, I'm sure. They closed down Santa Monica Boulevard and it's just an absolute party fest. I've been there a couple of times, absolutely love it. It's also probably the best dressed neighborhood in Los Angeles. People really take pride in their appearance here. So if you're going to move here, make sure your wardrobe's a little spiffy, but obviously very casual as well, especially the summer vibe. The sheriff's department is slap bang in the middle of West Hollywood, which is another reason it's pretty safe. The schools are good. It's just not a family neighborhood as far as I'm concerned. You don't see many kids running around, that's for sure. If someone says to me, who's the clientele of people who live in West Hollywood, I would say people moving to LA to work in the entertainment industry, actors, models, musicians, the gay community. That would kind of be the way I would decipher West Hollywood. West Hollywood is decently placed. If you work downtown LA, Santa Monica, Beverly Hills. Okay, let's go take a look at the homes, the condos, see what they have to offer to give you an idea what it's like to live in West Hollywood. Okay, so here we are, a little neighborhood off West Hollywood. First thing I see is the streets. They're not as wide as in other family neighborhoods, Pasadena, Glendale, Burbank, and I know that the width of the street has no correlation to how family orientated it is, but for some reason that's the first thing I think of. Not great for kids, and parking seems a little tricky. West Hollywood is super expensive. If you're looking for a condo, you can get a 2-bedroom condo for around $1 million, but if you're looking for a home, here's a nice new modern build. But if you're looking for a home, 3-bed, 2-bath home, you better have at least $2 million minimum, and $3 million if you want more options. West Hollywood is one of the most expensive areas of LA County. To be honest, condo living in West Hollywood is probably more prominent than owning a house. A lot of renters in West Hollywood. You can rent a 2-bed condo for about $3,000 to $4,000 a month. But if you're looking to rent a 3-bedroom house, save your pennies because you're looking at about $6,000 a month. Here's an older version. Once again, there's a huge mix of new builds and originals, which I like. Lots of different types of homes, nothing real cookie cutter. But I'm walking around here. I've been walking around West Hollywood now for about an hour and a half. I don't think I've seen one child. I don't think I've seen one person over 70, and I don't think I've seen one person under 18. So, great neighborhood, good location. Look at this house here. Someone's going to buy this one up, but even this house here is probably over $1 million. But yeah, the location's good if you work in Beverly Hills, Santa Monica, Cheviot Hills, Brentwood, Westwood, Hollywood. Great location to live. But it's just not a family-orientated neighborhood. If you're moving to LA and you want to party, move to West Hollywood, have a great time, and then when you're ready to settle down with a family, then it's time to start searching again. Niche.com, which I really highly recommend when you're looking to move to a neighborhood. Check out Niche.com. It gives you a breakdown of everything that you could want to know about a neighborhood. So I really check it out. On Niche.com, it said that they voted West Hollywood the second best suburb in LA County for young professionals. So I think that says it all, really. Young professionals, West Hollywood, perfect families. I don't think so. Here we are in another neighborhood in West Hollywood. Beautiful tree-lined street. Don't know if you can see this. Beautiful tree-lined street, but once again the street is narrow, and for some reason narrow streets for me doesn't say kid friendly. You're not playing out here. I can't imagine a block party, things like that. It's very hip and trendy, but I have a feeling the vibe I get is people kind of stay to themselves more. There's not kids out on the street or parents chatting over the fence to each other. There's a big house here. The curb appeal of this neighborhood is excellent. The curb appeal of all the communities in West LA, really very good. Pride of ownership. I do believe a lot of rentals. Like I said, a lot of people rent in West Hollywood. There's a little house here. This kind of sums up West Hollywood and the kind of architecture and what's happening in LA right now. You've got one original house here, very cute with the red door, and then next door to it, the big modern home. There are homeless people, but I don't think it's an issue like in Venice, downtown LA, Santa Monica. There's homeless people in every neighborhood. Go to Beverly Hills, you're going to see homeless people. West Hollywood, I don't really feel as though it's an issue. Crime is not bad. I do know people in this community are complaining a little bit more about crime these days, so that's something maybe to look into. But as a whole, for a neighborhood in Los Angeles County, West LA is not known for its crime whatsoever. All right, well, I hope that helped. I'm Matt Tilley, the British Bloke, a realtor here in LA County. If you're looking to buy or sell in the next 9 days or 90 days, give me a call, shoot me a text, happy to be a resource. If you did like this video, please like and subscribe. I'll be doing videos on LA County neighborhoods throughout the year. Hope to see you in my next video.